National Assembly invited the Minister of Health under Article 153 and the subsequent rulings by Speaker Muturi, Emeritus, by Speaker Muturi during the CAS, you and Governor Abdul Samad were in the House, and by Speaker Wetangula. Those rulings, I have them here. I told you yesterday, Chair, that the meeting of today is not going to be an ordinary meeting. And you know, I have been in this building for 20 years. And if I want to come back, the people of Garissa Township will bring me back, inshallah. But I am not intending to come back, because I have reached at the apex of this house. I now serve the people of Kenya as the Minister for Health. And I will do exactly as the oath I have taken. And I will hold my integrity. Your members are not here, they left. They made noise because that was their intention. I knew this meeting. That was their intention. Some of them own facilities. Some of your members own facilities. Some of them, I have closed their facilities. Some of them are blaming me and are fighting in this committee because they wanted us to bend the rule in the recruitment of Shah. And I stood very firm. I stood very firm.
Timu yake Vado liko historia bangado